Hi friends, once again Usha with you on a new episode on Unplug with Usha. I have a beautiful guest today.
Good morning. I'm Madhulika Agarwal.
Hi, this is Vartika Chaturvedi.
Whenever we talk of parenting, it all mounts up to the mothers. Is this onus only with mothers? Parent means it's both father and mother. So let us just hear from Vartika as well as from Madhulika as to what is the role of the father in parenting. My question itself is very clear because generally it's all about mothers and mothers. You did this, you did that, you didn't do this.
See, Auntie, in my opinion, parents itself says mother and father are
Correct.
equally responsible
Absolutely.
for upbringing their child. But sometimes situations are like that ki being at home, I have to look after so many things.
Correct.
And husband's job these days are like they travel a lot.
Correct.
They don't have surplus of time to look after even for themselves.
Okay.
In many situations,
Okay.
they should definitely take out some time and
Okay.
find out what
Ah.
is going on.
But I'm sure that must be happening. No, I think you must be talking to your
Yeah, that
husbands
is there,
over-
but sometimes these people are lost. At random, you ask them, "Ki right now what is going on with him and what kind of things are coming up?" So they will be like, "You tell me," kind of. But
I think you must be facing this embarrassing situation in a parents' meeting. Am I right?
parents meeting me, no. Mostly I prepare him from before. Okay. No, because these days, honestly, like he is traveling a lot and he is not having time at all.
Okay.
But from the very beginning, it's been 18 years of my marriage, and I know my situation. He travels a lot.
Correct.
So I have prepared myself for that. But yes, Auntie, I would say one thing. Whenever things come up, I feel personally ki if he is not able to take up the thing, he will simply blame on me.
That blame game was
Yeah,
always,
blame
I
game
think
is
that
most
always there in
yeah,
a mother's role.
हाँ,
Blame.
always he keeps saying, "तुम क्या कर रही थी? What were you doing?
हाँ.
Why can't you take up that? You should have told me." All certain things, though I feel कि वो इतना not required or
Correct.
है ना. I always complain कि whenever you are at home, at least you be with him, sit with him,
Yeah.
talk to him, right?
But what they're lost, totally lost.
Yeah.
What to talk to? Am I right?
Yeah, today
Yes,
morning itself, I asked him, Kisi, I'm very busy with my daily course. Why don't you look after him? You are also sitting with your mobile, and even Tanmay is sitting with his mobile. Why don't you teach one of the lesson? Right? So he told, okay, finally, I'll switch off my phone and I'll sit with him. And then he gave all the one size explanation. But also, Auntie, that is there, ki father, they don't have patience like as we mothers have.
Probably. That's
That
also
is there, the most
That is
important
also
factor.
there, you know.
Yeah,
Patience factor.
patience.
And then,
They matlab,
so you mean to say the children are more closer to the mother than the
yes,
father?
definitely. This is the main reason because they are very impulsive. They react.
हाँ.
अरे तुम्हें ये नहीं आता, तुम्हें ये नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
But we as a mother, we never do.
हाँ.
We always say, क्या हुआ? Explain. Yeah,
Correct.
tell me.
हाँ.
I'll find out
So
something.
you're the
for you.
balancing act. You do the balancing
Yeah,
act.
but
Jugglers role.
fighting, tug of war. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you. Vartika, it's again a beautiful discussion that we are into. I think I must have a debate on this. On one side, we'll have the fathers. On the other side, we'll have the mothers together. And then we can have a debate on who takes the responsibility, basically.
As Madhu said, that the fathers are very busy nowadays. But as a mother, I believe that I share everything to him. Whatever happened the whole day with my children, whenever he comes at night, I take half an hour and I'll tell everything that this happened, Agrim did this, Anya did this. So I'll make sure that he also knows what's going on in the house.
Correct.
So if something happened, he never come and say ki you didn't tell me. So I have a habit of telling him. So he must be aware of these things. In my case, my children are very close to my husband, and they found comfort in telling him rather than me.
Correct.
Because they know that if they tell me,
It's a role reversal.
I have a hyper. Like I always get hyper so fast.
Correct.
And opposite my husband, he's very calm. He's okay, हो जाएगा, let it be, कर देंगे.
हाँ.
And I'm very like, नहीं हुआ. He was like, why are you so hyper?
Correct.
So he is the calm situation. He just keep the situation calm.
Balance.
And he always give the solution to the children.
Correct. I think it depends upon the nature.
Nature.
From what I can look at it is who is more patient in
More
this?
patient.
Who is more approachable?
Approachable.
I think that is what is parenting is all
Yeah.
about. It's not about the time that they spend.
Mhm.
It is about the kind of bonding that they have with each other. Whatever I can construe from this is that the patient is the key factor.
Key factor.
And whosoever is more patient, I think the children go to
Children,
that.
children come first.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Madhurika. Thank you, Vartika, for being with us on this beautiful journey of parenting. It's the need of the hour, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart.